to start.
It is 8:04 now.
Yeah.
So we have to start the meeting now. I'm Mitlesh Jha, host of Inner Circle meeting, and my role is to run the Inner Circle meeting as per the script decided by Mr. Atul Puri. Uh, Before we start, I wanted Mr. Atul Puri to say something on why he has started Inner Circle and very start of the meeting. Atulji, please start.
All right, thank you. So, my purpose of not only inner circle, the entire e-growth has been that when we look at the larger enterprises, they've got enough resources and clout to do whatsoever they want. But when it comes to the smaller enterprises, we don't have those kind of resources. We don't even have that kind of time or contacts. So, what is it that we could do to help small businesses grow their business and grow in life as such? So what I realized was what works for the larger enterprises which are more structured does not work for the small enterprises because we are not structured and there are different dimensions or different dynamics which are playing. So a structure which is more fluid, which gives you more flexibility, that is what I had in mind. So with this, the entire e-growth platform was built. And within e-growth platform, we realized that there are some people who are more structured, who got businesses which are B2B in nature, in the sense business to business, and have a national or a global appeal. So that means these are not businesses which are restricted, or maybe 80% of the business comes from the same city. So for them, we envisaged a structure which is called as the inner circle. Here we are working on 5 elements. The first one is opportunities. The second one is challenges. So to resolve the challenges of the businesses. The third one is knowledge sharing. Fourth is valued contacts. And the fifth is rewards and recognition. So this is what we are trying to create in the inner circle. We are almost completing 1 year now. And I think so far it has been awesome. Thanks, Mitlesh ji.
Yourself. You, Yogesh sir, please mute yourself. A lot of noise is coming.
Mitleji, so you have to be a bit loud. Yeah.
Yeah. Then what is our structure? Is each and everyone we have to introduce ourselves in 1 minute time, and then in our introduction we have to say who we are, what we are doing, and how we can support others, and what we wanted from this group. So then we have our create session. Today's create session will be conducted by Mr. Vijay Sahaji, and then discussion on create session, challenges of Mr. Vijay Saha. So I'm Mitlesh Jha. I'm into logistics field. Since 2013, my company Techage India Limited, and other than Techage India Limited, we have Total Fit Solution, Gen Expert, Kacheco, and one more company, Bitboy, which is into dry cleaning. So Rajesh, please introduce yourself and your team.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Mitleji. Mitleji is managing the entire show, and we are here to help him out. So he has given us enough privileges and enough flexibilities to manage it. So, and we have a team of people who help us to manage the entire show. And we have a definite roles and responsibilities for all of them. So we have just defined the different roles are like We have statics by Subrotoji and Vijayji. So they ensure, sorry, so they ensure that the group has all the updated statics about the member performance. Then we have a presentation. When you just see that 1 minute presentation, and Virendraji helps members with these presentations. Sets up a presentation format, helps members to achieve presentation goals in stipulated time. When it comes to the industry relations, so we have a greater thrust on MSMEs and industry relationship. And we have Atulji, Satyaji, Shripat, and Harjinder Chimaji, so who look into this relationship with the industry bodies. They ensure participation of members in different bodies in our inner circle regularly. So we have an internal relation as a role, and GS Ahuja ji and Yogi ji just take care of that. So they ensure that face-to-face meetings happen, referrals get passed and reported. Then, as Mithili ji had said, so we have a create session, and the create session is taken care by Saurabh ji. He ensures a good create session every week, ensures that the members send their presentations to them, and well before presenting it finally, guides them to make it compatible to the session format. And we have a guest relationship, Amit Singh ji and Atul ji and Virendra Ingli ji. So they just take care of the guests. For attendance coordination, Rekha ji takes care of that. So she ensures that we have a maximum participation of members in our Friday meetings, sends reminders, and if needed, speaks to the absent members and encourage them to participate. We also have education and innovation slot. Harjinder Chimaji and JP Singh ji, so they ensure that group gets some quality presentation every week. They guide members to make these exciting presentations. They ensure that members send their presentation to them well before the time. And we have one exciting session like lifetime experiences. Ravindra Mishra ji and Shripat ji, so they ensure that the moments which happen in everybody's life and which are game changers, so they are shared with the members, and these are wonderful experiences. Yeah, that's all, Mithili ji, for me. Yeah.
Thank you, Rajesh, for introducing your team. In fact, from now we can start our introduction. So we will start with Mr. Satya Gupta. Good morning, Satya ji. Please introduce yourself. Please unmute and introduce yourself.
Oh, good morning, everyone. I'm Satya Gupta. I'm a social entrepreneur from Delhi. I have a new vision, and that is called Making Bharat Atmanirbhar in New Internet. And I have been also nominated as the chair of the India IPv6 Council, which is the new internet body. In addition, I have few startups. One of them is called Blue Town India, connecting the unconnected. We are providing broadband access in the rural areas of eastern part of the country at a Bata price, what I call 69 rupees a month. We are the world's cheapest internet provider. And we also create jobs in the rural areas. Of course, ask, and every week you will see it repeated, that I have launched a book on basically on rural broadband business, which is called Long Tail, Walking the Talk on the Rural Broadband Business. It will be available for download at a price of about 69 rupees. So my request to all of you is that if all of your employees or Connect can download that book actually, and whatever money you will be paying, it will be treated as a charity to my NGO called DigiGaon Job Factory, which is empowering the women in rural areas, and you will get credit for that. That is my ask. What I can give, as I have been mentioning, is I'm a certified trainer on next generation technologies and blue ocean strategy. So I'm always available to conduct a session for your company, your group, yourself, or even in inner circle, whenever it is suitable. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Satyaji. Miss Rega Agassi, please unmute, ma'am, and introduce yourself. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Myself, Rekha Agashe. I'm from High Sales Consulting. We are into sales consulting, training, and coaching. So what we offer is that we can have 1:1 session with each member of the inner circle to resolve their sales challenges and set up a sales strategy. And what our ask is that we are coming with a high sales master conference, which is there on the 9th of January, and I will be approaching each one of you to see how we could partner. So Atul ji, Virendra ji are the speakers for the first editions of the Sales Master Conference. So request you all to register because it is a very value-packed session and high impact result-oriented. Thank you once again, Rekha Agashe from High Sales Consulting. Thank you.
Thank you, Rekha ji. Mr. Vijay V. Shah, good morning. Please unmute and introduce.
Good morning,
sir.
everybody, and good morning and good energy morning rather. My today's subject is energy. My primary business, which we have started 45 big, is of insurance auditor. As a broker, we deal in the life, general, and health insurance. Then, since 5 years, I'm doing the research in the energy healing. It's a vibration frequency healing, which is the human civilizations know since the decades or the centuries ahead. So this is the solutions called the Tathasu, which can provide each and everything in the world that we are looking for. इसको हमने नाम दिया है तथास्तु खुशियों का खजाना. इसके बारे में मैं आगे बताऊंगा. Thank you very much to the each and everybody and Atul for doing platform to us. Thank you.
Thank you, Vijay ji. Mr. Ahuja ji, yes, Ahuja. Good morning. Please introduce, sir.
Good morning, everybody. Ji. Good morning, Satya ji. Hope you are feeling well, Atul.
Yes.
Okay, so I am a accountant by profession. I've been into private practice for about 25 odd years, and I have an office in Delhi, in Noida, and one in Bombay. During the week, I need to. I mean, there's a lot of activity. Manish came and met me in my office, so we have some things in mind. Let's hope those things work out. Then I had a long chat. In fact, I'm thankful to Amit Chawla for. I mean, he had, if you recollect,
Yes.
he had last week offered to handhold me for a month, and so we had a long chat, and I would endorse his services and his way of tackling things. I mean, I had certain thoughts in mind. This is the problem, but it turned out to be something else. So, I mean, I think that everybody, all of us operate in a cloud that way. We think something is wrong or something is right. And actually something, I mean, the driver in that thing is something else. So anyway, that was it. And I am also hoping to meet Subrato tomorrow, which is a long overdue meeting. So I have just last week decided to also diversify into the POSH legal issues, which is POSH means the prevention of sexual harassment. So my ask would be, of course, if you can put me through to anybody who's looking at accounting, tax, or the POSH services. And the give is, of course, I'm available for any assistance required to anybody at Inner Circle pro bono.
Thank you, Ahuja ji. Mr. Manish Kumar, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, everyone. So myself, Manish, by profession, I am chartered accountant. I am providing the tax and business consultancy. And last week, I met with GS Ahuja ji, and we are working for the some collaboration, etc. And thank you.
Thank you, Manish ji. Amit Singh ji, good morning. Please introduce yourself,
Morning,
sir.
good morning, everyone. My name is Amit Singh, and I run a company into women fashion for the last 10 years. And also, I'm the co-founder of a company called Digital Experts India, which is into digital marketing and e-commerce consulting. And we have recently tied up with a London-based company, so we have gone cross-border now. So we are expanding entirely. And as far as the digital marketing strategy and e-commerce consulting is concerned, we are primarily specializing in digital marketing and consulting company through which you can make money, not just digital marketing. The digital marketing which helps you make more money and convert a lot of sales. And what I can give to the inner circle members is my corporate connects. So anybody who would like to have any kind of connection, right from the senior management to CXOs and CEOs and founders, and so that is a phone call away. And my ask will be that if anybody is not making money in digital marketing and e-commerce, and you're wasting your hard-earned money here and there, so then we can have a one-to-one and discuss. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, Amit ji. Thank you. Mr. Virendra Engle ji, good morning. Please introduce yourself, sir.
Yes, good morning, everyone. My name is Virendra, and I'm a business coach and franchise coach. I'm currently running 4 operations, one into business coaching, second is into pharmaceutical retail chain, and third is Tally on mobile app, which is BizMIS. As far as my offerings are concerned, I'm offering BizMIS at 50% to all eGrowth members, along with Atulji. And as far as my ask is concerned, I'm looking for SME and MSME connects. There is one more small request on behalf of Rekha and Atul, that there is one event which we are organizing and we request all of you to participate into it. As far as my one-to-one, I had a one-to-one with GS Ahuja ji, Manish Kumar ji last week. And thank you very much and have a great day.
Thank you, Mr. Shrupad Kulkarni ji. Good morning. Please introduce yourself, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. This is Shripad Kulkarni from Nasik, Maharashtra. We are into manufacturing of sheet metal components and assemblies required for various industries like HVAC industry, switchgear industry, and pharmaceutical industry, as well as automobile industry. Name of the company, Srisan Technologies Private Limited. ESP is anything and everything in sheet metal of stainless steel, MS, and aluminum. Thank you, Sripad Kulkarni, Srisan Technologies Private Limited.
Thank you, Sripad ji. Mr. Martin, please introduce yourself. And yeah.
Hi. So my name is Martin Kitching. So thank you everybody for the invitation and the opportunity. My business itself is KPI. So what we're offering is IoT connection solutions. So everything from RFID, eSIM, GPS, LoRa. So ways of connecting basically analog to digital. A few examples of that is we're currently connecting sewing machines to Smart Factory. We're connecting 50-year-old presses within quite aged manufacturing facilities to digital, both giving two-way connection that allows not only monitoring of equipment, but also control of replacing the need of PLCs and other devices. For helping the other members, so I have a global network that I hope I can share with many of you. For example, I'm very connected with the tourism industry throughout Europe. So Mr. Pramod, if you need help with gaining some of those connections to further expand your tourism business, I'd be happy to share those connections and make the introductions. But also I've been supporting the British Chamber of Commerce globally with this sort of business consultancy. So I'm happy to share any of the connections I've got or share any opportunities that I may be able to help you outside of India. The help I'm looking from the network itself is help within India. So I've worked in India several years consulting operational excellence. What I'm looking to do is really look at the Indian market as one of the key markets for my business, as I see the analog to digital, the SMEs, as the main market for the business growth. And I also look at how I can cooperate with many of the team on even creating new solutions and new opportunities within the Indian market. So again, thank you for inviting me, and I'm happy to be joining.
Thank you, Martin. Martin is based on Bangkok currently, and he wanted to expand his business in all over India. So he's starting with Calcutta and then from Mumbai. So opportunity for everyone to collaborate with him, and he has opportunity to collaborate all of us. So please be in touch with him.
Thank you.
And I would like to acknowledge one more thing, that Martin, he has joined Inner Circle without even attending the Inner Circle meeting.
Oh,
that was something awesome. Yeah.
Great, great, great. Mr. Pramod, please introduce yourself, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm audible?
Yes, yes.
I'm Pramod Bakre, based in Thane, Mumbai. I'm basically into core business right now is basically travel and tourism. I conduct customized family holidays, including visa services, flight booking, hotel bookings, travel insurance, foreign exchange under one roof. My USP is hand-picked destination for family holidays at very competitive prices. My second segment is I help MSMEs and small businesses to reach the right customer via social media like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. My third opportunity I'm looking for is I'm a NSDC and RASCI certified trainer in retail industry. So I'm looking out for connects in retail industry wherein the corporations or the companies are looking to train their staff in retail segment, including product knowledge. What I can give references of chartered accountants and company secretaries in Thane, Mumbai area. And I'm looking for connects in corporate retail industry to reach so that I can fulfill the requirement of training in retail industry. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Pramodji. Thank you. And Mr. Yogesh Thakkar, please introduce yourself, sir. Please unmute. Good morning.
Good morning, everybody. I thank Vijay Bhai and thank all the members as well as Atul Puri. I had been connected with eGrowth for a long time. Previously, it was in the 2015-16, it was Make in India, MII. From that, Atul Puri has grown into the eGrowth and all that. As one of the old member. Anyway, I'm Yogesh Thakkar here from Mumbai, qualified civil engineer, having my own interior decoration business, but my vertical which I am presenting everywhere or even in all the groups as well as all the presentation, it is related to health and energy, which is known as the geopathic stress, which comes out from underground and it affects your immunity. The moment your immunity goes down, then only you get any health problems. Otherwise, you don't get any health problems. So we treat those energies because you cannot do anything with the energy. Either you have to divert or you have to convert the energy. So we divert the energy in your premises and give the complete immunity to your family. And it's only one-time treatment, no repetition, no renewation, no taking any medicine. It is just a treatment to your floor, that's all. Nothing is visible, nowhere the side effect, nothing is there. Again, I am Yogesh Thakkar, geopathic stress harmonizer, and thanks all the members for inviting me. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Yogesh ji. Thank you, sir. Mr. Ravindra Misra ji, please introduce yourself, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Sorry for coming late. I am Ravindra Mishra, ex-government employee, having 40 years experience in telecommunication domain. in all verticals. At present, we are having our offices at New Delhi at World Trade Center. We are specialized in telecommunication licensing, then regulatory compliances for the telecom industry people. Means all the service providers are our client. Our motto is to take the job of services of government services. Means wherever there is a government services, we help the people. Thank you very much. My profile, I'll put it, rest profile, I'll put it in the chat box.
Thank you, Ravindra sir. Amit Chawla ji, please introduce yourself, sir. Subramaniam sir, please.
Good morning, everyone. Sorry, my video is off because I'm just getting ready to travel. So my introduction, what should I do? What should I really do now? This is the most common question business owners have been asking me in the pandemic times. Good morning, everyone. I'm Amit Chawla, business clarity coach with 3 decades of corporate experience in the software industry, a Josh Talk speaker and author of the bestseller book, The Clarity First. I coach entrepreneurs and business owners in accelerating their growth by providing absolute clarity of what they should really do now. Gift for the week is Neerja Singh. She is a teenager and speaks on generational gaps. And my ask is entrepreneurs of tech companies with 50 plus employees. And last week I had a one-to-one with Mr. G.S. Ahuja as part of being a buddy from his last great session. Thank you once again. My name is Amit Chawla again, your absolute clarity coach. Thank you.
Thank you, Amit ji. Mr. Subramaniam SB.
Good morning to everyone. I am SV Subramaniam. Easy to remember is Sugar Victory Subramaniam. Well, I am in the field of training and development. I am also associated with SVS Training Academy. I'm also associated with Martin Kitching, who just spoke a few minutes back on LDP Online. That is learn, develop, and practice. My ESP is that I believe in Gemba working.
Mr. Thakkar, please unmute.
Yeah, I believe in shop floor, Gemba, practical training and working. Last time also I said that I don't believe in AC, PC, CC working. That is sitting inside an air-conditioned office in front of a PC and sending CCs that this is how a job has got to be done. So I specialize in training on operational excellence in any field, whether it be total flow management or total quality management or total service management, anything. So my ask is that whoever wants to have good training and development for their industries, especially MSMEs, I am available for training and development and on-the-job training. Thank you for inviting me. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Virendra Sahni, please unmute, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I'm Virendra Sahni from Mumbai. Mr. Vijay C. Shah has invited me. I was Senior Division Manager with United India Insurance Company. And after that, I was Vice President for Salasar Insurance Brokers, Worldwide Insurance Brokers. And presently, I'm Vice President with Cover Mitra Insurance Brokers. Ready to help anyone if any advice is required. I've got about 45 years experience in insurance line, general insurance line, basically. So I would be happy to help anyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Biramji. Mr. Rajesh Pandit, please introduce your business, sir.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Rajesh Pandit, founder director of Amicus Infotech Private Limited. So we are into field of mobile and web development. We have been just fortunate to have just worked with companies which are best in the industries. Like, so we have just been working all over the globe with companies like IBM, Intel, Procter & Gamble, Lenovo. and we have users in around 130 countries. We have developed for Indian markets, so we have just developed certain products so which can be used in the sales force automation. We have offered partners of KPMG for their development outsourcing. And as far as the give is concerned, as I said earlier, so we have just been working in the beverage industry, in the alcohol sector, alcoholic companies, and so we have been providing them a lot of automation things. And if anybody wants to get introduced to these companies, I'll be happy to introduce you to these companies. And as far as ask is, so if there are similar companies who are just who are looking for any kind of solutions, will be very effective in giving them those kind of solutions. Thank you, Mitlesh.
Thank you, Rajesh ji. Mr. Atul Puri, please introduce your business, sir.
Yeah, so my name is Atul Puri. I work with small businesses. My purpose in life is to empower and enable businesses. As part of this, I do two things. One is I work with businesses and help them design their business. So this I do as a coaching practice on a retainership basis, right? The other piece that I do is I build this platform called eGrowth, courtesy which all of you are here. So the idea here is to create a platform which is a self-service kind of a platform which lives on feedback and also works on collaboration. So collaboration, excellence, and opportunities, these are the three pillars of the eGrowth. What is it that I can give you is I've already given eGrowth the platform. Please leverage it to as much extent as possible. Another thing is tomorrow I would be leading a talk, a strategy talk, which is called Recharge Your Business. This is where I would be introducing you to how would you design your business? Why would you need to design your business? What are the elements which go into the design of a business? So do join in tomorrow morning, 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Please feel free to invite as many people as possible. This will be on Zoom and we will also broadcast it on Facebook. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Atulji. I'm Mitlesh Jha. I'm into logistics business, and we are into this business since 1998, and we have our office in Nehru Place, Singapore, and warehouse at Guangzhou, China. We are handling export shipment and import shipment both, and third country as well. Break bulk shipment and ODC cargo is our strength. Handling ODC cargo is our strength. Air and sea shipment we are handling. We are oil and gas sector is one of the major sector which to whom we are serving. So I can introduce you into oil and gas sector peoples, and that is my give. And my ask is anyone who is into import and export, anyone who wanted to import and export anything, so please introduce me those pupils. So from now, Mr. Atul Puri, please talk about create session. Create session. Today's create session will be conducted by Mr. Vijay C. Shah. So please advise why create session.
Yeah, before that, so Vijayji, just please be ready with your presentation as soon as Atulji finishes with that, so we'll have to start it.
Yeah, sure.
Host बना दे उनको.
Yeah,
हाँ बना दिया मैंने. Yeah, Atulji. Yes.
I'm just wondering if Manish ji has already introduced himself.
Yes, he has.
Yes.
Okay, great, done. Right. So, create session, according to me, is the heart of the inner circle. Okay. You would have come across many platforms where you can exchange referrals, you can seek business, you can give business, all the stuff. One thing what is important is how do you address the challenges in your own business? This is one of the biggest points for small businesses. So keeping that in mind, I was looking at what could be a very frugal way of handling challenges in business. So with that in mind, we created the create session wherein a business owner comes up front. So today Vijayji is coming up front. He will take around 8 to 10 minutes to talk about his business. And at the end, he will share 1 or 2 challenges. And all of us are supposed to deliberate on those challenges. So how you would do that is hidden in the word create. C stands for challenge. So this is what Vijayji would be sharing. R is resolution. So when we are listening to Vijayji, we have to listen from the perspective of resolution, how we can help him resolve the issue. Okay. The third is E. E is empathy. We are business owners and we need to be empathetic to people around us. This is very important for all aspects of our business. Okay. A is analysis. So whatsoever Vijayji talks about his business, just analyze that in your mind and then give him inputs. Okay. T stands for trust. Trust is the bedrock of business. So we've got to show that kind of trust to Vijayji and then build it from there. And the last E is empower and enable. So have such conversations which will empower and enable Vijayji. And please mark it, you might see Vijayji in front of you. Actually, it is you who's there. Because whatsoever challenge Vijayji would be sharing, that would be applicable to all of us, maybe to 100%, maybe 80%, maybe 50%, but definitely it'll be there. So Vijayji, all yours.
Rajesh ji will support Vijay ji in conducting this session. Yeah. Rajesh ji, please.
Yes.
So good morning.
Yes, as Atul, let me just brief so people about the create session also, like so how we just do it. As Atulji has just briefed what the create session is. Let me just tell you, last create session was done by GS Ahuja ji, and we have a buddy structure also. Amit ji was gracious enough to volunteer for the for being a buddy of GS Ahuja ji, and as GS Ahuja ji said, so he dedicated full session for that and brought that kind of clarity he required for the business. All of us contributed and he made a note of those and then shared with the other members. The people who are not also in this group, so they also got benefited by his notes. And I will also, before Vijayji starts, I will request everybody to switch on their videos so that he can have a full attention to his presentation. That's an earnest request to everybody. And Vijayji, so you can just start. You can share your presentation. Start brief. Tell us about yourself in around 5 minutes, and then share your main challenge. And we just so we will just mull on that. Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. Nikola Tesla says, sound, vibrations, healing, frequency is everything. The same thing is told by the Einstein also. I will share my presentation. We'll start with a small video, please.
Vijayji, it has not started. Can you just click on it?
Yeah, already started.
No, but then it is not, so we can't see it right now.
I've started the video.
Okay.
Can you see the video, please?
No, there is no video.
You have to click. So you have to click on the share button also. That particular
Rajesh, can you guide me? I can see the video in my screen.
But then we can't see that.
Hello?
Yeah, we can't see your video.
Rajesh,
I think he has to click optimize for video clip, and then it will be shared.
So there is an, so while you click on it, so there must be some share button. Okay, but you are already on a share mode, and so I don't know. So I don't know why
Because
it is
before you share a video, because for slides it is easy to share. For video, it says that optimize for video clip, and then the video starts coming in.
Yeah. Okay.
Am I audible?
Yes.
You are very much audible.
Can you see the video, please?
No, we can't see that video.
Video आ रहा है?
नहीं.
Sorry, we can't see the video. Okay, let us start now. Let us start now with your PPT. Yeah. So let's start with that.
1 minute, huh?
Yeah.
One minute, let me put up the video because video sound is very big one.
Okay. In fact, what is special? Today we have Martin from Bangkok. Me and Rajesh is from and Satya ji is from Delhi. Ahuja ji is from Noida.
So we have people from all parts of India and now from
Yes,
abroad.
Great.
Yeah, just click on it.
Can you see me?
Yes, we can see you.
We can see you, but we can't.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Vijay ji, you please get on to your business.
Yes.
Video, yeah, please.
हाँ, वीडियो को छोड़ें और directly.
We can have that look at the video in the next session. So let us now go ahead with this presentation. Please.
Presentation and challenge.
Yeah.
Am I audible? Can you see the picture?
You are audible, but we are not able to see the picture.
Can you see the picture, please?
No. So you are. We are not able to see your picture.
विजय जी presentation पे जाएं, इसको वीडियो को छोड़ें.
नहीं वीडियो बंद हो गया.
नहीं वीडियो को नहीं, दूसरा भी इनका प्रॉब्लम है. So he is not able to even share the JPG file. So वहाँ पे आपका.
Can you see this now?
विजय जी आप एक काम करिए, वो आप मेल कर दीजिए किसी को, राजेश जी को या फिर मिथिलेश जी को या किसी को भी इमीडिएटली, ताकि
ठीक है
बाकी लोग एटलीस्ट डेमोंस्ट्रेट कर पाए उसको. आप सिर्फ बोलिएगा फिर.
हाँ, राजेश जी को दे दें.
मेरे को व्हाट्सएप कर दो आप.
हाँ, मैं आपको मेल कर देता हूँ राजेश जी.
व्हाट्सएप
आपको व्हाट्सएप कर देता हूँ.
व्हाट्सएप कर दो.
तब तक आप अपना बोलते ही रहो सर, जो प्रेजेंटेशन है.
हाँ. एक मिनट भी व्हाट्सएप कर देता हूँ राजेश जी को.
हाँ जी. की PDF फाइल अगर आपके है, PDF फाइल.
एक मिनट.
अतुल जी, लोगों के बारे में बताएं जो वेराइटी ऑफ पीपल है. तब तक आप शेयर करें और 3 मिनट बाद शुरू करेंगे. तो अतुल जी आप बताएं कि यहाँ कहाँ से हम लोग हैं आज.
So I think we should be from 6 cities. So we Bangkok, Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida. Amit, actually Amit Chawla, his office is in Gurgaon, but he is from Faridabad. Okay. Then we've got people from Bombay as well as from Nasik. So that makes it 7 cities. Thane is the 8th city. So right now we got people from 8 cities.
We have one more city, sir.
Pune. Yes. Then it is 9 cities.
मैंने सिर्फ वीडियो ऑफ रखा है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं था.
Nasik. You forgot about Nasik.
नासिक का कॉन्टेक्ट
है. ओके. वीरेंद्र जी आपको हम लोग गुड़गांव बुलाने वाले हैं, इसलिए हम आपको पुणे से.
अच्छा जी. ओके. कब आना है बता दीजिए.
आप बहुत लोकप्रिय रहेंगे वीरेंद्र जी. आप आएंगे तो यहाँ बहुत मीटिंग होगी.
श्रीपद जी इज देयर.
अभी आए थे लेकिन अभी नहीं है.
आज क्या
मैंने वीडियो शेयर कर दिया राजेश जी.
अच्छा अच्छा।
तो
प्लीज जरा देख लीजिए जरा।
विजय जी, आप
मैंने पीपीटी भी भेजा है, दोनों भेजा है मैंने।
स्क्रीन शेयर बंद कर दीजिए आप प्लीज।
मैं स्क्रीन वापस बंद करता हूँ, सुनो।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
विजय जी अपना स्क्रीन शेयर बंद करें तभी वो कर पाएंगे। हाँ
तो एज ए प्रोसेस मेरे ख्याल से मिथिलेश जी, हम अगली बार से एक कॉपी अपने पास मंगवा के रखा ली वन डे
हाँ, ये पहली बार हुआ कि नहीं हुआ है, नॉर्मली हम मंगा लेते हैं।
अदरवाइज
Actually, the format says that Saurabh ji has to get this copy, vet it, and then only it has to be presented. Saurabh ji is not there today, but the normal process is that कि वो पहले वो भेजेंगे, वो देखेंगे भी कि फॉर्मेट में भी, not only that, so he will see कि that ये फॉर्मेट में सेट हमारे हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है.
Okay.
Yeah.
And in case of challenge, somebody else can start it immediately. If the copy is available to others in the team.
Yeah. So Rajesh has just got the mail.
Yeah, I'm just trying to download it. Yeah.
सुब्रत जी और इंद्रजीत जी को इंट्रोडक्शन का नहीं मिला था, लेट आए थे, तो इंद्रजीत जी, हाँ, तब तक आप जो है वो करें सर, आपके बिजनेस के बारे में बताएं।
राजेश जी हो रहा है डाउनलोड?
डाउनलोड पता नहीं, डाउनलोड नहीं हो रहा है। This is, आप मिथिलेश जी को भी भेज दीजिए, तब तक I'm just trying to download it.
इंद्रजीत जी और सुब्रत जी, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ सर।
बिल्कुल सर। Good morning everyone. My name is Subrat Chatterjee and founder of ONDG Communications. I am a creative innovator, branding strategist and design expert. Creative impactful visuals and brand solution for high profile clients and across numerous industries and verticals. ONDG Communication is a digital marketing agency. We are doing all kind of designs and like branding, logo and graphic design services and advertisement services. Okay, thank you sir.
इंद्रजीत जी।
Hello everyone, good morning. Indrajit this side. I am Indrajit Prajapati, co-founder and digital head of ONDG Communications, and I have around 8+ years of experience into overall digital marketing and organic traffic growth like SEO, and I am expert in Google advertising, banner ads, search ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads and Instagram marketing. And right now I am me and Subarto started a company with the name of ONDG Communications 4 months before, and we are helping businesses to grow digitally. Thank you. That's it.
Indrajit, have you received this? Have you received this presentation?
एक बार मैं देख लेता हूँ, तब तक
देख लीजिए। I'm not able to download ही नहीं हो रही है, पता नहीं।
आप डायरेक्टली चैलेंज पे जो है ना,
I can speak directly ना।
विजय जी
नहीं हो रहा, मैंने इनको I just told मिथिलेश जी to just download. He's going to do that. ठीक है, मिथिलेश जी आपको भी भेजा हुआ है।
ठीक है, मैं देख रहा हूँ। आप चैलेंज जो है ना, मुझे भी को होस्ट बना दें।
हाँ, right, I'll do that.
I'm very sorry for the goof up.
No issues.
आप सर चैलेंज अपना बताएं। आप पहले 2 मिनट का ना बिना प्रेजेंटेशन के आप बताएं और फिर चैलेंज।
देखिए मैं बताऊं
तो इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा।
हाँ, because of Martin.
Okay, in the way we live in the universe since the billions of years, we live with the structures. It could be home, it could be office, it could be table, it could be chair, anything. No, a structure is incomplete without the architecture. We require the complete architecture Now, since everything is energy, we have to see that the energy is a completely balanced. When we design something that we want to exist, grow, and sustain. So everything in the world is vibrating with a certain frequency. And when there is a disturbance in the frequency, things get distorted, and our happiness and the result that we don't get in the life as we expect it to be. So there is something called the chakra healing in the Indian context. I think it is known worldwide to the people. This is sound healing system can help the people to boost up, to enhance, to maintain, to conserve the energy. If something is not happening in the life, suppose the relationship is not proper, so probably due to some factors of called the heart chakra or another chakra, if energy is not balanced, then it may affect the relationship with the people. Apart from the energy, there is something called what we say is a electromagnetic field. The way we are speaking right now on the Zoom, we are in the India, different parts of the country. And I'm sorry, the name of the gentleman who joined together is in the other side of the India. So still with the frequency and we are able to connect together on the one platform, we can see each other also. So this is the greatest thing of the science. So what I'm going to talk to you is a completely science, not the Baba wala things. Ye ho jayega karke na. So almost 2000 years back, a great monk called the Mangtung Acharya, he has invented certain, being a scientist of his time, the greatest scientific, astrophysicist scientist is on his time. He has developed a system called the Bhaktamara Stotra. It is called the 48 infinity chakras and the system. So anything that we want in life which is working or not working, we can maintain, we can bring it back to the shape in which it has to be. Rajesh Pandit, do you got the download, please?
Yeah, Mithliji is trying that. So on my laptop, I don't know, strangely it is not getting. So because I
Okay,
had
don't worry. I've joined my laptop together again right now.
No issues.
I will not put the video right now. We will straightway go to the screen only.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
right now I will continue. See,
Please
this is called the
continue.
goof up,
Yeah.
and this is the issue. But since we all are matured enough, we are handling the goof up. But many times, suppose the legal complications comes, and it may be right or it may be wrong. How to manage? So there is called the mantra number 23 and 28. If we recite or to listen to it, it creates the sense in the mind. It improves our vision, and we get the very great idea how to fight at the legal issue. Second thing, it is connected with the electromagnetic field also. We all know about the Secret movie by the Rhonda Byrne, which came, I think, more than 10 years back, right? I think, but let us keep it interpreted rather than me doing monologue. Hello?
Yes, please, move ahead.
Yeah. So the way the things, there is something called the law of attraction. The what I think, what you think, right now why we all are together, because somewhere down the line, almost 1 year back or 7 years back, something occurred to the Atul. They want to start something. Why the things got created? Something which Atul thought, and we came together. It's a science. When we thought of something doing good for the people of the same frequency came together. Me from the Bombay, Manish is from different side, Virendra Sir is from different side. So right now we are the 20 people from the different side of the system. But still we are together. How it is so? So this can be completely explained by the sound healing system. And there is lots of videos are available on the YouTube also for the same purpose. I would like to show you right now. Give me only 1 minute of time. I'm joining together with my computer system. Right now I'm calling from my mobile connections.
राजेश जी स्क्रीन दिख रहा है इनका?
Now we can see now.
Yes.
ठीक है, तो विजय जी आप अब बोल सकते हैं इससे.
अच्छा मैं आ सकता हूँ क्या अभी?
हाँ, स्क्रीन आपके सामने है, देखो आप स्क्रीन।
प्रेजेंटेशन मोड में करिए सर उसको, प्रेजेंटेशन मोड।
हाँ 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 हाँ।
आप इसको थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर लो, प्लस से ना, प्लस से आप इसको बड़ा कर लो।
अरे कैन
मिथिलेश जी,
यू स्पेल आउट द नंबर प्लीज? अपना मीटिंग का नंबर क्या बोलेंगे जरा, मैं लैपटॉप से ज्वाइन हो रहा हूँ।
आप इसी पे कर लीजिए ना, आपको वेव होगा ये।
Okay, fine, fine. See, this is a system based on the scientific, spiritual,
मिथिलेश जी
sound.
100% कर लो इसको, हाँ यस, प्लस साइन से।
This is based on the scientific, spiritual, sound, emotional, frequency, vibration, energy healing system, which is based on the Bhaktamara, Bijakshara, Navkar Mantra, solfeggio frequency, and emotions. The name we have given recently, and I'm thankful to Subrata Chatterjee for being supportive professionally and personally also for designing the logo. This we have completed last night, yesterday around 11 o'clock only, and the things were not completely complete. This is the logo called Tathastu, which says you get everything that what you want in life. खुशियों का खजाना in the Hindi में, in the English we have termed as a happiness treasury. There is a hand above it shows that you are being blessed. This box over the this is on the page number 2, which shows a different Bhaktamara mantras. Where number 1 says for restoring the disturbances, number 2 is for the headache. If you are looking for the new business contract, then a number 4 works. If we have done the experiment in the Nagpur in the modern school, where the more than 400 children were getting results less than 40%, after 3 months of the follow-up with the mantras, with the support of the parents, principals, the teaching staff, all the students get the 80% mark. And many of the students were mentally retarded. This was a challenge for them. If you are looking for the teamwork, the mantra number is 10. If you are looking for relationship with the wife, relationship number is 11. For the relation purpose in the marriage is the number 12. For the 14 is for the arthritis and sciatica. 21 is for the relationship with the family members. 24 number is for the migraine and vertigo kind of things. So there are different kind of mantras which are required to be chanted or either to be listened also, which gives the excellent results. You can also go through the solfeggio frequency on the Google, which I'll forward you also. This presentation will be forwarded to each and everybody. It's completed transparent. This since last 6 months, we are having the daily meeting of more than 10,000 people on the Zoom, YouTube, and Facebook. When today also we are having some events going all around the globe where we conduct a session completely social work. I have taken this is a kind of a social work professionally also. We have designed certain instruments which plays the sounds, which print the frequencies, and this has been designed scientifically. So my request is that you may raise the question, I will give the answer, please.
Can you see the screen now?
Yeah, I can see the screen now.
Bigger screen? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
1 minute, अभी मैं directly laptop पे भी आ रहा हूँ. Please, 1 minute.
No issues.
The challenges.
अभी इसको लॉन्च कैसे करना, आगे कैसे जाना, वो उसके बारे में मैं भी आगे बढ़ रहा हूँ. We are already having the presence right now in the 14 countries worldwide, where the people from the Jain religion resides. Apart from the Jain religion, lot of other people also.
Vijayji, which one slide number? Where should I go?
नहीं, अभी तो एक नंबर पहले पेज पे आ जाइए ना, फर्स्ट पेज पे.
अच्छा, right. Yeah.
1 minute, I will come just now.
So let us now come to the challenge. Let's come directly to the challenge. यहाँ पे आपने have you listed the challenge in any one of the slides?
Can you see the first page, please?
Yeah, first page is there. So can you see the page?
Yes. See,
Yes.
Can you? My request is for everybody to see that a small player on the right hand side.
Okay.
is a player that we have designed. 1 minute. Huh?
Okay, yes. So right bottom, so there's a kind of an like a radio, right?
Right. Yes, radio.
Yes, we can see that.
Can you share the screen, please?
You have to switch off one of the devices or
हेलो
एक डिवाइस को आप म्यूट पे कर लीजिए, अदरवाइज देयर विल बी एन इको, तभी मैं कह रहा हूँ एक को आप म्यूट पे कर लीजिए. We can hear you.
Can you see the screen? There is instrument in my hand.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the instrument that you have designed. Can you listen to the voice, please?
Yes, we can listen to the voice.
Now I will change the word system. This is the number 53. It is for the stress reduction, to bring down the anxiety and the distress down.
Okay.
Now we are looking to develop a new business. अपने पास आपने धंधा है, business है, profession, we have a business in hand, but team is not working properly. We are required to play the mantra number 10. So the primarily thing is that we have designed various systems. This includes 1,100 different mantras, affirmation in a ragas. We have designed the complete booklet. Hello.
Yeah, Vijay ji,
we can hear you. This is the booklet we have designed completely. This was inaugurated on the 1st January 2017 by the respected Amukirti Maharaj.
Okay.
So this is something huge. I know there is some group of, I am not able to give some proper presentation. If you see what I mentioned in the bottom, no?
Yeah.
So securing health, wealth, wisdom, IQ, memory, prosperity, anything. There are 48 mantras. Okay. Now, by the way, I got my website. Everything is kept on the website. My request is to all to download from my website Jena method of curing and healing with the 40 mantra. Respected Dr. Manju Jain, she has done the PhD in the world for the first time almost 10 years back. And she has done the mantra number 45. Today we are getting the results. Those people who are suffering from the fourth stage of cancer also, the cancer is also reversed.
Okay, so Vijay ji, I'll share that video with the entire group. So okay, let us now go to the challenge. So let us go to the challenge because we are running out of time.
Fine.
And, so we can have some other day. So we might have this session along and we session again with the great preparedness. Yeah, please go ahead with the challenge.
The challenge is to devise a system to market it. No, even
okay.
I already marketed in the last year. More than 500 people have already bought the system. I'm doing the more research in deep, and the final thing is that we are now ready to jump into the ocean.
Okay, so you have already 500 people as your clients.
As my customer.
Which is the area?
There are all over the world.
All over the world. So 500 people. So how you got that? So that might help us to see that. So how can you expand it?
Anybody, each and everybody require, even Mr. Pandit, Mr.
No, that's all right. So all of us, what I'm just saying, so let us understand how you got 500 of your clients. So that will give us a clue how to expand it, how to make it easy for us to suggest you the ways to expand it more.
See, primarily, all of us are having some issues in their life.
Yes.
It may be business, it may be money, it may be relationship, it may be the legal issue, it may be the hypertension, it may be the blood pressure, it may be diabetic, no?
Yeah.
Let me tell you, 4 years back, I was suffering from the dengue. I was hospitalized in the hospital in Mumbai. And there was a gentleman called the Pawan Singh who was from Delhi, was admitted there. He was in the semi-coma stage. And I was in hospital for dengue. I was listening to the mantras.
And that fellow's mother asked me, Mr. Shah, can you give me this player to me? So मैंने उनको player दे दिया. After 3 days he was recovered. And I spoke to this fellow about a few days back only. He's completely hale and hearty. So we are having the various programs going on all over the world, where especially I was in Mumbai. I am in Mumbai right now. We are doing the various offline sessions. We are doing it, and more than 100, 200 people used to come there. And this was led by my other superior, Jigar Mehta and the Manjuben Jain. In the 6th February 2017, I done a program in Mumbai. I invited the whole team of experts, all the done PhD, and more than 400 people attended the program. The next event, which I done 6 months back, more than 1,005 people attended the program.
That's great. So, so your prime, that workshops you are doing, the programs you are doing, so is generating audience for you.
Yes,
so
we bring the actual people who have suffered from this system, from the problem,
yes.
no?
Yes.
When they give the testimonials, right now we are having more than 1,000 testimonials on the YouTube only.
Yeah. Okay, I'll now request, let us throw these questions open to the members. Now, the members, so here is a challenge. Now, challenge is that he has already a proven system. He has a proven system, so they can help in curing health, wealth, and wisdom, IQ,
anything that you want.
All those kind of issues.
Yes.
And so they say that it's in science, and it is not something so which they have started yet. Right now. So they have 500 ready people to watch for so its power. So now let me just see the raised hand so that we can just see that how can they expand it. So how can they go pan-India or expand it outside India also? So what is that kind of a system we can just recommend them so it will have a wide acceptability? Yeah, please raise your hands. Yeah, I'll stop sharing now. Yes. Atulji, so till others get ready, because this is a complex subject for all of us to deal with. So this is something. So we'll have to think through.
Yeah.
And,
so while I can see the device, it seems to be a good piece. Okay. Another thing what can be looked at is like this thing. If it can be hosted on iTunes as well. So people can have a mobile phone and they can select the track whichever they want, whenever they want. On similar lines, there could be maybe JioSaavn or those kind of platforms where these can be hosted. So it can be more like a subscription wherein people can keep on paying for every track that they're using.
Okay.
So then what will happen is on the mobile app store itself, there can be advertisement around it, and it can be promotions around it, and it can be sold.
Okay, great.
Okay, I don't have more hands into it. Vijayji, so you are just running it. So there's one radio Saregama. So it is similar to that, right?
Similar to, it's very small in size, like more than mobile size.
Okay. And as you said, you already have around 500 people who can watch for it.
Yes.
Where are those videos?
Right now, I put the 2 more videos. There is 1 more video which I'll forward you right now, which I posted earlier.
No, hold on to that. So what I'm just saying that, see, it is a system of belief. Now people need to believe it, because so in this scientific age and all that, when you just talk about reversing diseases like cancer and all that, so people have a question mark. So they will always ask you, so this is not possible just because otherwise we won't have these kind of issues in our country or any other country.
Right. Perfect.
So you will have to face these issues, but to make them believe and all that, or if you have, like, for example, all of our members, we don't completely believe your system currently.
Yes, I understand.
Yeah, so that you have to take that.
Yes, right.
So because all of us are of scientific temper and all that,
Right.
To make us believe, so you will have to put those videos and with some kind of a scientific,
Yes.
if you have done some kind of a scientific study, if you if somebody talks about, say for example, so this was the mantra which was played. So before that, so I have seen those. So I have seen some of those scientifically drawn, like when we recite mantras, which part of the your brain gets affected. Now when we just recite that, so there are some photographs so which are attached to scanned. So they have scanned the brain, and they say that people who just practice these mantras for 8 years, 10 years, so how it expands their memory, how it expands their other space. There are scientific things which are attached to that.
Yes.
First is that. So if you can just do that. Second,
I'll put in place.
when you have these testimonials, put them at one single place. Put them at one single. You can't put it in say YouTube and ask people to just find it. So you'll have to put that. They have to be very authentic, and they don't have to say that. So I recited these mantras, or I listened to those mantras and everything happened. So that is again, so what you already said is a Baba practice. So they have to say that say for example, I'm just talking about the cholesterol level. The first day I just heard it, my cholesterol level was at this. And then the second day it went like, so you'll have to have a kind of a methodology. It can't be like, it can't go in. There has to be some kind of a scientific validation to it.
Yes.
Yeah, so you'll have to follow that kind of a process where people start believing in this kind of a system. So I know that so there are a lot of systems effective. First, Ayurvedic also was not recognized as in science. Now, when people see that, so there are scientific ways of connecting it, so people can just connect to it. I have Amit Ji. Amit Ji is a great Amit Singh Ji. So I hope you are there. So he can share you some ideas about how to do it, because so he's a proponent of spirituality and all that. So he knows that how things affect people and all that. So Amitji, can you just give us some ideas about it?
So I think the product is already in place. His major challenge lies in the scaling this product to reaching to the masses and marketing it out.
Yes.
So that is where I think one great input from Atulji has already come in, that if it has to be scaled up. It can be a subscription based on iTunes or any other platform, because not only, I mean, the youngsters are quite using this kind of devices, and people might have problem using 2 devices. Like you have to keep one more, the device which the player, unko rakhna padega, they have to keep it. So that is one thing. But more or less what Rajeshji, what you have said, I mean, that is also has to be included, that a scientific validation, because it's a matter of belief in India. So that authentication and very good marketing strategy along with validation and proof and with testimonials will help him scale up. And also then if he has to go like regional, like if the South has a different belief and West has a different belief, India has so many communities in different regions. So accordingly, it has to be regionalized, okay, or according to the local this thing. Maybe he might have some local strategy there. So that's the detail. This thing we can talk one to one.
Yeah. Vijay ji, see, when you just talk about this device, so it can have a huge market. Let me just tell you. So all of us recite some kind of a mantras in home, and so when we can just listen to songs and all that. So there has to be so we don't. Even there is a section of the people who might not use them when there's a problem. So they might use them as a daily part of their daily exercise. So I will always, like, say, for example, in the morning, so we also switched on our system, so which recites those mantras, and that's so. And so if we sell it like that also, because that is going to give us some positive energies,
right.
And you have a lot of collection of those mantras can sell them all. Can be sold as their own, as of their own identity.
Yes.
Yes. So that is one thing, and it is not. It might not be costing a great. So when we can just spend so much of on all those, so people will invest on it. People
Yes, yes.
because it brings a lot of positivity if you just have this music right in the morning and all that, and then so there are a lot of other benefits which can just tell.
Yes, yes, yes. Like
So you can, because so for that, so you don't have to make, so you don't have to make them believe that, because they're already in practice and things which are already, and then what you can just tell them, like, so you are now listening all to those mantras, go to mantra 14 if you are having this problem, so it will definitely go to mantra this is, and then it becomes a catalog. So
yes, yes.
basic, so if you just market the mantras itself, because mantras itself can be marketed, so that is my anybody else can I just
What
see?
is the price of this? What is the price, please?
It starts with the 3,000. It goes up to 50,000.
Okay.
Basically, people are looking only for the 48 mantras. It works for only rupees 3,000. But if you are looking for the sustainable system where in the future also nothing comes back majorly, so we are offering a seven system, which is called the Tathasu system, no? Where you are required to play the different mantras together. And Mr. Panditji, I require your professional support. I'm looking for creating the app, no? Where in the app itself, people can download the app, which is going to be subscription based, and people can download the various modules as per their requirement. And thank you very much for your question. Again, to repeat, it's not from 3,000, it goes up to rupees 50,000.
Yeah, surely we can just take it forward.
Yes.
So any other suggestions?
Yeah.
Yeah, Rekhaji.
Yeah, so yesterday Vijayji spoke to me, and now that we are having the High Sales Master Conference, he was asking whether I could associate with it. So just putting it forward to the team, he wanted to launch his brand Tathastu. Now this conference theme is sharpening your sales skill and taking the pathway of excellence. So educate and inspire the business owners to sharpen the base sales skill with this thing. If he can suggest some mantras or the positive energy which he's been talking about, which can help in the well-being of the business owners and the sales professional, something crisp that he can share for 10 to 15 minutes, I and Prakash could talk to Vijayji. Yeah, he came up with the idea. If the team can help, like you rightly said, Rajeshji, you made a lot of sense as you were telling. So if something he can, just put in as a presentation, we can give him some slot where he could talk, and it could be really useful.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, we can have that. So
Yeah.
Mithliji.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Rekhaji.
मुझे what I feel YouTube is a very good medium to advertise this type of mantras.
Right.
If a lot of people say on YouTube good about mantras, how they cured, so it will automatically go viral on people. So YouTube as maximum as you can.
Okay.
So different mantra, different people see a different thing about mantras. So it will go viral automatically. One or two mantra will go viral and then others.
Yeah. So
But
anybody else?
one more point I wanted to, it was just coming to my mind.
Yeah, Mitji.
So I thought just, so while it is very good, to spread this message, let's say there are so many mantras available on YouTube, just Mithliji was saying. It is available on YouTube and other platforms also. And at some point of time, we just use it for certain relaxation, but we really don't know what has worked for us. And
Exactly.
There is some, how do I say that? After a certain point of time, it is just, there is no validation ki isi se hua hai. I mean, it has happened because of this mantra, it has happened because of some divine intervention.
Yeah.
So what Rajeshji you were talking about, ki, like we are 18 people right now on this group. How many people will, I mean, although he is an inner circle member, will definitely promote and give all the positive things. But when it goes out as a product in the market, then there has to be some authentication or validation which can really stamp it that because of this mantra something has happened. I don't know how will that happen, or it will be just 70% or 30% will always be a we will not know.
Yeah, Atulji.
Amitji, let me share you. Right now, book is available on the website. 48 Jaina method of curing, which is approved by there is a thesis of 285 pages, which is approved by the university, where every is a scientific information is given there for all the mantras. Just for your information, I request everybody to download it. It's completely complimentary. Plus, we are having more than 1,000 plus video, plus at least 500 videos of testimonial also. I will sit down with the Subroto and I will get back to you again for how to take it ahead. No?
Yes.
I'm going to
So that will be wonderful, Atulji.
I'm going to create my website also accordingly, where every information will be given there on the website also.
Yes, Vijayji. So that is there. Atulji, so let us wind it off with your comment. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So what I wanted to share is, for any product to hit the market, it needs to have a community around itself. Okay. And especially for this kind of a product,
yes,
maybe having some associating with some of those healing centers, wherein you could have some events or some situations where that mantra is being played, and after that you're speaking to people and all that stuff, and then you're building a community around it. Okay, that's one piece. Second piece is, who else are your complementary businesses? Okay, massage parlors is a big thing. All right, what if during the massage session this mantra is being played? So on one end, the physical aspect of your body is being worked on. With the mantra, the vibration is also changing. Okay, now this can go well with different kind of massages. It could be the South Indian, the Kerala massage, it could be the Thai massage, it could be the Swedish massage, whichever. Okay, so having those combinations is what will make a difference. I'll give a very classic case. Okay, Bombay used to have the vada. Okay, and then City Bakery used to make the pav. So somebody who used to make the vada, he said, why not try the vada with the pav? So he started offering it to his customers. And after that, vada pav became a standard. Originally, vada never used to come like this. So imagine a massage parlor uses this music or this mantra, and while the person is going back from the massage parlor, he is also carrying that the system with him. So that becomes an additional line of revenue for them. For healing centers, this becomes an additional line of revenue. So you would need to look at who could be your potential sellers, who will take it to the market. Even up country, there could be some tea shops which could do this. Okay, imagine if Chayos, instead of the Western music, they start playing your mantras. How many of these will they sell?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Vijayji, I hope that you have made a note of all those.
Yes.
And you will be requested. You will be requested to put.
Rajesh, if Martin can say something, if he understands the thing.
Martin, Martin, I know that this was a complex topic today. So for all of us, so do you have anything to share?
I've just put a message to Vijay. So if you've got a Facebook, can you please share? I like the idea of the massage parlors. And as you know, Bangkok is probably one of the cities with the most massage parlors in the world.
Center, yes.
So there is in Bangkok, there's an expat Bangkok group with tens of thousands of members all over Bangkok with a lot of networks to the massage parlors, to many of the restaurants, everything. So if you can share that, I will start circulating for you.
Thank you, Martin. Thank you very much for your kind work.
Yeah, no problem at all.
Yeah. So Vijayji, so you'll have to make a note of all those
Yes,
suggestions which have been.
I have a suggestion.
Yeah.
Can I speak?
Who's
Yes,
there?
sure.
Pramod.
Yes.
Pramod, yes. Sorry.
Yeah, first of all, he can brand himself on all the social media, whether he has done it or not, I don't know. That can be the step wherein he can go all over Facebook and LinkedIn and Instagram and YouTube. That can be a branding phase for him, first phase. And secondly, he can, like Mr. Puri said, like contact peers. He can, those who are doing complementary businesses, like maybe astrologer or a numerologist, so he can tie up with them and propagate what are the effects of those mantras and this product. That can be a very good channel for him to market himself.
Okay, great.
Great one.
And that's great. So with this, so we'll wind up this create session, and I hope that Vijayji, so you'll put everything. So you'll just make a note of it and just put it in your circle also.
Fine.
So people will definitely try to relate to this, because this is, so if there are certain unique products, so they have to offer. So maybe so this is one way to so market them. Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you very
Now
much.
I'll be creating breakout room for some people. Martin is already a member of inner group, so I will exclude him. I will add others. Yeah. Yeah, please continue, Mr. Ji.
सत्य जी, मैं लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. So
I'm not seeing the breakout room ka.
हाँ, I'm just doing that. मैं कर रहा हूँ. I'm just trying to see that. I'm adding Pramod ji, Yogesh ji, Yogesh Thakkar ji, Amit, Atul. Okay. Yeah. Is there anybody else? Virendra Sahni.
Mr. Virendra Sahni was there.
Yes, I'll.
And also, I think Mr. SVS was there.
Yes, SVS is there. So should I add him?
Yeah, please do that.
Okay.
So good morning, SVS son. How are you doing? You need to unmute yourself.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Abhijit.
Good morning, Atul san.
Good morning, son. How are you doing? With seeing
fine, thank
this
you.
fan in your home or your whichever place you are, I've started feeling chilled, cold.
I don't want to make Delhi colder.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mumbai has this advantage, no?
Yeah.
In winters.
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody else is joining?
Welcome, Pramod ji. I think Virendra Sahni ji is also there. Yeah. I think Yogesh Thakkar ji will also be there. Yeah, great.
Okay.
So
English ji is not there.
I think he should be coming. Let's see. Yeah.
Okay.
So all of you, the purpose here is to learn from you what has been your experience and what are you taking back from today's session. So maybe let's start with Mr. Pramod.
Yeah, lot of learnings today. Met so many entrepreneurs and businessmen on this platform. Great to have interaction with them. What are they doing, and what are their markets, and what are their products and services?
Yeah.
Definitely, it would be a great idea to take it ahead. I'm already into networking from last 8 years.
Okay.
So business networking is a part of propagating and marketing business.
Right.
So I'm already part of eGrowth platform via BBNG.
Yeah,
I'm an office bearer in Thane.
Right.
Chapter.
Yeah.
So it is a great interaction. Way to go ahead. Yes. Thanks a lot.
So would you be considering to join Inner Circle?
Let's see. I will give a thought.
Fair enough. Great.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, Pramod ji, if you have any problem and any questions in your mind, do reach out to us. We are just a phone call away, and I will also, talk to you.
Sure.
We welcome you if you join.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. In fact, considering, I think, Mr. Pramod, you were talking about some foray into digital space, right?
Yeah.
So Amit is an authority in that space. So you would do a lot of stuff together as well.
Yeah. Also Pramod ji के साथ हमारा एक retail का भी निकला है.
Okay.
So he is from retail industry. I also come from retail, so I have offered my help to him, whatever I can.
Great.
Surely.
Yeah. So SVS San, welcome back again today. So
yes, sir.
What have been your takeaways?
You see, last time I attended this session,
yeah,
I was thinking that it's quite a long session.
Yeah.
Keying in at around 7:30 and then going up to 10:15 was the long duration.
Yeah.
But today it seems to be a little short.
Yeah.
We have got Mr. Martin also in our forum now, Inner Circle meeting now.
Yeah.
I'm so very happy to note that Pramod ji is from Thane.
Yes.
Pramod sir,
Yeah.
I am from Thane. I stay near Vartak
Yeah,
Nagar.
I could make out. Yes.
So I have actually put in the chat box my contact number. We can always chat later whenever you are free.
Yes.
So I will say
Pleasure.
that this my feeling about this circle meeting session is becoming better. Let's see how it goes forward.
देरी किस बात की है? आ जाइए आप.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
And Yogesh ji. Yogesh ji, you will need to unmute yourself.
Thanks, Atul.
Yeah, welcome.
The major part of this meeting is that brainstorming has been done by each and every member.
Absolutely.
Each and every member has put his experience, his way of working to put the Vijay Shah's product in the front line, or in whichever way we may express it. It's a very good session. Because everyone, you see, Atul has collected, or say, I would say, in the galaxy of Atul, there are so many different charts are there. So each one is signing at a different vibration and different color. So everyone has given his input for the Vijay Shah, and it is a very good platform. So I really enjoyed that, because I was being invited by Vijay Shah, because I had given him some advice on the color combination of his logo and his other card designing and other things, because there are some other fields also I involved. From the birth I can evaluate your energies. There are 5 energies we are born with. पंच तत्व जो हिंदी में बोलते हैं हम लोग.
Yeah.
So accordingly, which are the supporting colors and which are the corners you should put your name, which are the corners you should put your phone numbers, where you should put, which are the colors.
So Yogesh ji, do you think this inner circle as a structure will be helpful for you to take your business ahead? Or to
For the time being,
or through this you will be able to support others?
I'll be able to support the others, but for the time being, I will have to wait for a while. Then I'll get back to you because I know Atul, I know Dharmishta, all these people I know very well.
Right.
Then you don't need any introduction for e-growth.
I don't, because from the inception of the e-growth, I am there
So,
with them.
Yogesh ji, I've got a question from you. What is it that has been stopping you from subscribing to eGrowth?
Because there are so many things which I am doing at my hand. One thing.
Okay.
And I would like to put up some right track to those things which I am doing at present.
So then what is it that is not allowing you to quit eGrowth and go out? No, means you have got your hands in so many things.
Yeah.
Why add
So,
one more?
I would like to, contrary, I would like to reduce my burden, or if you say I would like to reduce my way of working or change my working.
Yeah.
Then I'll be getting the benefit of eGrowth, or I'll be giving much more benefit to the members of the eGrowth people. That is what I am trying to shed up the extra pound of my flesh.
Yeah. So what is it that is not allowing you to take either of the two actions?
No, I'll
Either
have to
be
decide.
there or
No.
don't be there. Na? So in a virus state, it is not healthy for anybody.
No. At present, it won't be possible. It will take some time, but I'll definitely join.
No, that is absolutely fine. So it is not about you joining eGrowth. It is about you getting the benefit.
Yeah.
Right. If you are there, you will get the benefit.
No, that
If you are not there, you will still get the benefit. But if you are there and not there, then you will not get the benefit.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes.
I second what Atul ji is saying, because I will tell you my thing. I am also equally involved in some 4 or 5 projects and some 4 or 5 businesses. And I was also thinking the same when I started how I am going to contribute. And this is the question for every entrepreneur, because everybody is doing some 3 or 4 things, busy all the day. Maybe he is also into another networking platforms. Hota hai. But it is just that I started participating. Okay, sometimes I was not able to participate, sometimes I was able to participate. Slowly the entire team came together and I started seeing value and started giving. So thoda sa hum shuru mein joining something thoda hota hai, but after some time it's a very close family kind of a this thing. It's not a networking platform जिसमें कोई किसी को जानता नहीं है और 50 people 100 people are there, कुछ पता नहीं. I would strongly recommend what Atul ji was saying, that just take a decision and choice at your ease. So that's what I wanted to just say.
Great. Thank you. Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Sajid. All of you.
प्रमोद जी, आपके लिए कुछ और ओपन अप हुआ?
Hello.
Yeah, Pramod ji, हाँ जी.
Sorry, what was it?
I said, did something else open up for you?
As far as what exactly?
Regarding the inner circle or any other questions that you have. Some
Yeah,
clarity that
definitely
you
I'll
need.
come back to you. I will like to know much more about it.
Okay.
And it's not only taking the opportunities, it's also how much I can give also, because networking is always how much you can give also to the group.
Absolutely. It starts from there actually.
Yeah. So let's see. Definitely I'll be in touch with you.
Yeah, great.
And Virendra ji?
Virendra ji, I don't think he's come.
It's not.
SBS is there.
SBS.
All right. So then fine, let us go back to the main room and then we'll close for the day. All right. So thank you for coming in.
Welcome you all to Inner Circle, and we will wait for you that you can join.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And Yogesh ji, definitely install the eGrowth app. And you can.
Yeah, I already installed.
Yeah. So I don't think I saw any messages from your side, but you can please share messages.
I already installed, but I'll open it up and
Okay,
go through that.
So that is one more of those things, you are there and not there. Okay, sir. So let's meet in the main room then. You can just click the leave room and we'll meet in the main room and then close in another 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay. People have already lost the entire money. So unless and until you have that clarity that what exactly you want in the from the solutions, so we are not going to help you. You think that so spending 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakhs, so then your problem is solved. It does not. Thank you guys for your patience. So I had a session on documentation, Atulji, today. So I just gave your example also how you just build from 1 page to 30 page and then a 300-page document, and why it is necessary to have this kind of a documentation in place. Yeah, so that was it. So that was for today. So how was this your session, Atulji? You are on a mute.
Yeah, I think we are expecting all those people to join, and they have a lot of questions, and probably all see them very soon.
Oh, that will be a fantastic. So we had a goof up today, and I'm sorry. And I'm sorry for that. I'm absolutely. I'm feeling very sorry for this goof up that I couldn't help Vijayji before that presentation started. I should have just taken those measures so that this goof up could not have happened. I could have just taken a roll up Saurabh. So I'm just feeling sorry for that.
पूछना चाहिए ना?
हाँ जी?
मैंने आपको पूछा नहीं तो मेरी गलती है.
हाँ नहीं मेरे को
इसका एक फायदा भी हुआ है. राजेश जी इसका फायदा भी हुआ है.
हाँ.
हम लोग और क्यूरियस हो गए कि एक्चुअली है क्या चीज, क्या हुआ है इसमें.
Yes, yes. So
हम लोग ज्यादा फोकस हो गए कि चैलेंज लाए. और मंत्रा जब उन्होंने जो टेप में सुनाया तो मतलब वैसे तो हम लोग इंडिया में तो ये सब चलता है.
Right. Yes, so it is a learning for us also.
Dipesh knows the logistics goof up. इसका पार्सल वहाँ, उसका पार्सल उधर चला गया.
Then
Martin. So we'll have a final words from you, and we'll just wind off this today's exciting meeting, challenging meeting.
I wanted to listen from Martin and how you find it today
it was a typical mess.
Yes.
And because we tried to sail through this mess, Martin. I hope so. You will have to deal with this kind of a mess in India also. So you have to be.
Martin is expert in operational consulting, so he will tell us how to do operationally. Yeah. And then he will invite us to Bangkok as well.
He has a lot of ideas about these massage centers and all that. So we are just
whiskey and massage.
So जो राजेश जी जो मैं मॉर्निंग में कह रहा था ना कि एक चीज मिस हो गया था, मतलब that was this only.
Okay.
और अतुल जी को काफी इंटरेस्ट है उसमें, तो उन्होंने भी आज काफी फोकस किया उसमें.
I got it.
Amit ji was not coming out of his profile, and then Martin had to talk about whiskeys, and then suddenly boom, and he was out of that. So what are you talking about?
मैंने मॉर्निंग में विस्की की बात कहाँ से आ गई?
In fact, officially meeting is over now, but so we can chit chat.
So Martin, people are more interested in Martini than Martin.
They also.
and also they are imagining being on Sukhumvit Soi 7 or Soi 8, whichever Soi.
Atul recording बंद कर दो.
Indeed. Okay, so thanks a lot. Continue the conversation.
Yes.